Title: 10 Steps to Master Financial Freedom. Introduction. Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Financial freedom isn't just about having money, it's about creating a life where you're no longer controlled by financial stress or paycheck-to-paycheck living. It's the ability to make choices that align with your goals, values, and dreams. In today's video, we're sharing 10 actionable steps to help you achieve financial freedom. These steps are designed to work for anyone, regardless of where you're starting. Stick around for a bonus step that can help you sustain your financial independence once you achieve it. Let's get started. Step 1. Define what financial freedom means to you. Financial freedom looks different for everyone. For some, it's retiring early. For others, it's having enough passive income to travel or pursue a passion. Start by defining your personal vision. Clarity is the foundation of financial freedom. Actionable tips. Write down your ideal lifestyle and financial goals. Calculate your freedom number, how much money you need to live without financial stress. Keep your vision visible to stay motivated. Step 2. Track your income and expenses. You can't control your finances if you don't know where your money is going. Tracking your income and expenses helps you identify areas to cut back and redirect towards savings or investments. Awareness is the first step to control. Actionable tips. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to track every dollar. Categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Review your spending weekly to ensure you're staying on track. Step 3. Build a budget that aligns with your goals. A budget isn't about restrictions. It's about aligning your spending with your priorities. A good budget ensures your money is working toward financial freedom, not just daily needs. A budget is your financial action plan. Actionable tips. Start with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Adjust your budget to save more aggressively if you can. Revisit your budget monthly to accommodate changes in income or expenses. Step 4. Pay off high-interest debt. Debt, especially high-interest debt like credit cards, can keep you trapped in financial stress. Eliminating it is a crucial step toward financial independence. Debt freedom is a cornerstone of financial freedom. Actionable tips. List all your debts, including balances and interest rates. Use the avalanche method, highest interest first, or snowball method, smallest balance first. Avoid taking on new debt unless it's for appreciating assets. Step 5. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund prevents unexpected expenses from derailing your progress. It's your financial safety net and one of the most important steps to financial stability. Prepare for the unexpected with a strong safety net. Actionable tips. Save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Start small. Saving $1,000 is a great first milestone. Automate monthly contributions to grow your fund over time. Step 6. Invest in yourself. Your earning potential is one of your greatest assets. By investing in skills, education, and personal growth, you can increase your income and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Your growth fuels your wealth. Actionable tips. Take courses or certifications to boost your professional value. Attend networking events to connect with mentors and peers. Set aside time for self-improvement, like reading personal finance books or listening to podcasts. Step 7. Start investing early and consistently. Investing is how you turn your income into wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest, making this step critical for financial freedom. Let your money work for you. Actionable tips. Open a brokerage account or retirement account, like a 401k or Roth IRA. Invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs for diversification. Automate contributions to your investment accounts to ensure consistency. Step 8. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Diversifying your income with side hustles, passive investments, or businesses provides financial security and speeds up your progress. More income streams mean more opportunities. Actionable tips. Start a side hustle or freelance work based on your skills. Invest in assets like rental properties or dividend stocks for passive income. Reinvest additional income into savings or investments to grow your wealth faster. Step 9. Protect your wealth with insurance. Financial freedom isn't just about growing wealth, it's also about protecting it. Insurance safeguards your income and assets from unexpected events, ensuring you don't lose what you've worked so hard to build. Protection is part of the plan. Actionable tips. Get adequate health, auto, life, and disability insurance. Consider umbrella insurance for additional liability protection. Reevaluate your coverage annually to ensure it meets your current needs. Step 10. Plan for the future. Achieving financial freedom is only the beginning. You also need a plan to sustain it. This includes retirement planning, estate planning, and setting clear financial goals for the years ahead. A plan ensures lasting success. Actionable tips. Max out contributions to retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs. Create an estate plan to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Revisit your goals annually to stay aligned with your vision. Bonus step. Build a financial community. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people can keep you motivated and accountable. A supportive community helps you stay focused and learn from others' experiences. Your network can amplify your success. Actionable tips. Join personal finance forums, groups, or social media communities. Attend workshops or seminars to connect with experts and peers. Share your goals with a trusted friend or mentor for accountability. Conclusion. Financial freedom isn't just a dream. It's a goal anyone can achieve with the right strategies and mindset. By following these 10 steps, you'll take control of your finances and create a life where money is no longer a constant worry. Which step will you focus on first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips from your Finance Lab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.